Sup everybody, Logan from Crypto Videos back with another video. Today we're talking about the Clone token. Name of the token is Clone, ticker symbol is also Clone. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting December 10th on a very big central exchange, which is tomorrow. So we're going to go over the information on this token, talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, name of the token is Clone. Ticker symbol is also Clone. This is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. You can find it on Etherscan. 18 decimal places on this token. Max total supply, 25,100,193 tokens. This is from a project called Confidential Layer. Now, privacy tokens are very popular right now, and this is a privacy project here. It says the first decentralized non-custodial bridge between Bitcoin, smart contract blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, and more, and privacy blockchains enabling seamless cross-chain transfers and privacy enhancements for major cryptocurrencies. Now, it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 10th at 13 hours UTC time, so 1 p.m., this token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code in the description box of this video. And I'm also going to put a QR code in the corner of the screen there so you guys can easily find this token. But basically, all you'd have to do, simply just go right through that Mexc Global referral code, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Clone when the token gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. Going on today, December 9th, there is a Kickstarter event also for this project on Mexc with a reward pool of 726,744 clone tokens. So you could check that out today and then check out the full listing for this token tomorrow. Now, Confidential Layer is built on the robust bridgeless Layer 1 blockchain, which is designed for fully decentralized, non-custodial, and seamless bridging. It enables the creation of solutions in blockchain interoperability, addressing one of the most significant challenges in the crypto space. Bridging assets between programmable blockchains like EVM, Solana, and Cosmos, as well as non-programmable blockchains like Bitcoin and privacy-focused blockchains. Confidential Layer is the first decentralized, non-custodial cross-chain protocol that offers bridging between public and privacy blockchains. So Confidential Layer currently allows users to bridge between Bitcoin family blockchains like Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, smart contracts, blockchains like Ethereum, Base, BNB chains, Solana, and Ton, and privacy blockchains like Xano, with future upgrades introducing the additional interoperability solutions of bridging between more EVMs like Arbitrum, Polygon, etc., Cosmos, and Fyro privacy chains. Now, the Confidential Layer protocol achieves its non-custodial bridging by locking the original assets in the smart contract for EVM blockchains. For Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, original assets are transferred to non-custodial wallets. These assets serve as a proof of value for the generation of the privacy-enhanced assets on the privacy blockchains. Now, this enhanced form of assets essentially benefits from both the sufficient liquidity of already widely adopted public assets and the safety of privacy features of the privacy blockchains, which enables your assets to be safe and private and your identity and transaction details to be protected. Confidential layer brings a superior solution for securely owning and transferring assets without compromising the advantages of either privacy or accessibility. By issuing wrapped assets, Confidential Layer enables unlimited bridging to privacy blockchains that can support the transfer of any volume of asset without affecting the fees and transaction speed. Now, they have a roadmap here, starting with research of privacy technologies, research of confidential asset options, then the confidential asset implementation, threshold signatures research, interoperability research, wallet integration, working replicator prototype, which is the bridge, and then bridge web app MVP, Xano integration, threshold signatures replicator MVP, threshold signatures papers, confidential layer apps. And then this year, they started with explorers and API preparation, the clone token airdrop stage 1, protocol audit assessment and review, and then clone initial claims and listing preparation. Then the clone TGE, clone staking will come out after that, bridgeless layer 1 launch, the bridgeless explorer, and then lastly, we have the ecosystem apps, confidential wallet mobile app, Solana integration, TON integration, confidential layer, API, and then more to follow after that. Now, Confidential Layer's tokenomics is structured with a clear focus on community ownership and incentivizing user adoption. A majority of the total supply, 70%, is reserved for the community, aligning with the protocol's goal of expanding user engagement and creating a decentralized ownership structure. Now, this allocation is a strategic move designed to capture mind share, incentivize participation, and reward users as Confidential Layer gains traction. So 5% of the tokens go to the launch, 10% to strategic reserve, core contributors reserve gets 10%, 10% to liquidity and listings, 35% to airdrop and incentives, and lastly 30% to token sale. You can check out their X account in the corner of the screen there at Confidential LYR. There's a link tree there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. You can see it's a huge project, 216,000 followers, a blue verified check mark with over 200 posts. And like I said, this token will be listed tomorrow on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.